Welcome everyone, this is WELD and Tailwheel lesson number 3. We're gonna take off from Santa Monica Airfield again, going probably to Venice since the landing fee is not existent there. I'm going to keep the video a little bit more compact as promised, and solo, tailwheel and aerobatics coming up as well. So stay tuned, enjoy.
Information Victor, 0051 Zulu observation, wind 2607, visibility 10, ceiling 10,000 overcast, temperature 17, dew point 13, altimeter 2994. Beware Alpha, RNAV and visual approaching, use landing in departing runway 21. All pilots are advised to use caution along the shoreline, prepare sailing activity at or below 500 feet. Advise on this contact, you have information Victor.
Santa Monica Tower, Decathlon 148, Alpha Charlie holding short runway 21 at Bravo 5, request right downwind departure for Venice.
November 148 Alpha Charlie, Santa Monica Tower, runway 21 clear for takeoff.
21 clear for takeoff, 148 Alpha Charlie.
Alpha Charlie, traffic departing the parallel to Phenom, caution wake turbulence, wind 280 runway 16 left, cleared for the option.
Cleared for the option, 16 left, traffic in sight, 8 Alpha Charlie. I'm a beam, power coming back. Yeah. Full ridge, full prop, fuel pump on. Sweet.
November 8 Alpha Charlie, for your planning purposes, the possibility exists for you to just do figure eights, like teardrop back to 3-4 on the go if you like. There's no traffic.
What do you want to do? Okay, let's do it. Oh yeah, sure, why not?
November 8 Alpha Charlie, right, you can expect that on the go.
Hey, thanks. Cool. There you go. Now we'll have to slip it a little bit, so left rudder, right aileron. Yeah. Go past 80. And you got more rudder than that, come on. Yeah. Nice. Yep, looking good. Just fly it over to center line with the ailerons, rudder for straightness. Now stick back. Nice. Power, tail comes up. And off we go. Sweet. Nice, man. What could you do with, what would have made that last one a little better?
I had to hold off longer or be already slower.
Yeah, so yeah, it's fine, we're coming in a little fast. It gives you time to kind of figure out the ground effect. But just like you said, just hold it off just a little bit longer.
Yeah.
We just touched a little bit, that's all. But not bad at all.
Cool.
nice and slow, because a couple of those you kind of like a real quick jerk back on this stick. Just nice, and you didn't think like little ones there. Let it keep sinking. Nice. Aileron into the wind a little bit. Nice.
Okay.
Those are looking good. Smooth pull power. Raise that tail.
He wants to fly.
Oh, this is efficient. You know, a lot of landings in.
Right off Charlie, teardrop approved, wind 2707, runway 34 right, cleared for the option.
Woohoo! Clear for the option, 34 right, 8 off Charlie. Oh man, your engine quit.
Well,
80 miles per hour is best glide. And remember, not too tight. This is how people stall spin.
yep.
Nice shallow
But
bank.
as long as I have the 80, I can. As long as I can keep the 80, right?
Yep.
I have the 90, so let me use it. Let me use the 80. There you go. Well, I would survive, but we're not gonna make the runway. Can I get some power?
Oh yeah, power's yours now. I mean, you wouldn't make 1-6-3-4 left?
Yeah, no, I would.
In this case, land on the taxiway, land on the grass in between, I don't give a shit.
Yeah. Alright, let me get over, get to have a little bit of some fun in here.
Yeah, there you go, so. Just be right rudder, touch it, and the left wheel is lower. So we gotta have a left lift vector into the wind. There you go, power back. There you go, left wing down, just a little bit of left aileron. Don't push forward.
Yeah.
There you go, pull back, pull back, pull back. There you go, nice, much better. Now get us straight, a little bit of left rudder.
There you go.
There we go. Cool, keeping a little bit of left aileron for the crosswind.
Ah, that was not so beautiful. Yeah, I'm still a little struggling with those counterintuitive forces that I feel.
don't do that thing. That's
Yeah,
freaking me out.
Number 8 off Charlie, teardrop approved, wind 2706, runway 16 left, cleared for the option.
Clear for the option, 16 left, 8 Alpha Charlie.
Set 437 Golf Van Nuys Tower on the left base, runway 16 right, squawk 0253.
Oh, I'm not high at all. Yeah.
You need to add power.
Yeah, just add power and hold step.
Yep. Looks good.
Yeah.
Because remember, with a crosswind, you are, in essence, slipping the whole way down anyways. So you'll
Yeah.
come down steeper. That looks
Straight.
perfectly straight. Yep. Looks great.
Golf runway 16 right short and clear to land.
Oh, I did it again.
Nice though. That was good. That was great.
I made it legal.
Yeah. A little bit of right aileron. All right. Whenever
All
you're
right.
ready.
approved, Van Nuys altimeter 2992.
Nice. 80 miles per hour. You can go right up to it. There you go. It's funny. I can tell you have your mouth open when you're doing those things. I can hear like I can hear your mouth being open. You're going like.
Forward traffic like usual.
And left traffic as usual, 8 Alpha Charlie.
Thanks, sir.
Hey, thanks for that. That was fun.
That was the other guy, bro. Tell me he said that.
Second?
I don't know what he said there.
I'm glad you said that.
Something like
If you get the Delta all to yourself again, we can go back to that if you like. But when there's other people in the mountains, keep it predictable.
Yeah, it sounds good.
He's like, there's another guy coming into the. There's a guy coming into the Delta, so he's like, if you're the only guy in here, you can do that, but let's keep it predictable for now.
Report holding for Bravo.
Oh, man, it's the
Number 8 Alpha Charlie, runway 16 left, clear for the option.
Clear for the option, 16 left, 8 Alpha Charlie. I feel like controllers usually like tail wheels too. I feel like they always treat me nicer, especially if you're in a Cub. Everybody loves a Cub.
Oh yeah. You pay a lot of money for that privilege.
They're just like, wow, look at that classic airplane.
I would love a Cub, but I can never afford that.
Hey, good 16,
They're
runway
so,
16 right short.
they're so expensive for like what they are. Nice one, nice one, nice one. Little touch more aileron into the wind just as you slow down. Nice. Oop, just there, yeah. If it starts skipping like that, just lift it up.
Yeah.
So that just happened because you didn't raise the tail quite high enough. You can raise it up like another inch or two.
Okay.
It was just the wings were like, I think we're flying here. We're kind of at an high
So it was already, yeah, it was too much angle of attack already,
exactly,
right?
yeah, and you had enough airspeed to generate enough lift to start hopping down the runway. 80.
Right. And easing it out at the 80, there's 1300. Pulling manifold down, 24.
Remain Alpha Charlie, turn left crosswind.
Left crosswind, 8 Alpha Charlie. Ooh, nice, man. Right down center line.
Almost, no, I'm drifting.
Nice one, man. Good. Nice. I like that. Bring that stick back. Or a little bit more aileron to the wind as we slow down.
Yeah.
Just a little bit. Doesn't take much.
Okay.
Did it.
Let's go out again. The left aileron.
Yes, sir. A little higher on the tail.
November 4612, runway
See how it
16 right
stops
short.
skipping? There you go. Perfect.
16 right short, clear to land, 4612.
Yeah, I think I got a hang of it.
Yeah, man. Looking good. 80.
Alright.
It'll get you every time.
Yeah, I'm also I almost do only software takeoffs in the squad cruiser, so I'm used to like accelerate, let me go on a bit and then go up.
Yeah. Oh yeah, this thing, like once it's free of the ground, you can pretty much just point it for 80 and it goes. Oh, the joys of a constant speed propeller. And almost twice the horsepower.
So we're straight out now, right?
Yes, sir.
November 8 Alpha Charlie, contact Santa Monica Tower 120.1. See ya.
Alright, 120.1, and thanks for all the help, that was fun. 148 Alpha Charlie, we'll see you next time.
Decathlon 148 Alpha Charlie, Santa Monica Tower, enter right base, runway 21.
Yeah, I'm getting a little bit more familiar with the side picture, as well
Those
as
last like 3 were really good.
as well as the speed I have to pull back to not move up again, but also not to not touch too early. So
Yeah.
now I jinxed it probably, but that's fine. Let me stay
Those
left
are
of
some
it.
good crosswinds too. Those are, you know.
At Santa Monica?
No, at
oh yeah.
Van Nuys. Those are decent crosswinds.
Decathlon 8 Alpha Charlie, runway 21, clear to land the wind calm.
Good to land 2 8 Alpha Charlie.
Alright, mixtures. Power's almost in. Mixture. Prop full in. Fuel pump on.
Very nice. Cool, man. How'd that feel? A lot better?
A lot better. I mean, it was...
You're starting to get the sight picture, and like you said, you're getting a feel for how much pressure is required to get the,
Yeah.
the flying results you want.
Like those last ones stop being a surprise when it's good. I already knew I'm gonna make this good, and
Yeah.
nothing happened not anticipated. So
Good.
Before it was more like a little. I mean, just don't be scared. Just to a tiny degree, always a little bit like just correcting everything immediately that goes wrong.
Yeah.
And now I was a little more ahead of the plane and could fix the stuff before they happen.
Yeah, you know what to expect now.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, if I give it this much control input, I should expect this much. Before it was like, well, I guess this is how much I should do it.
Yeah.
Decathlon 8 Alpha Charlie, contact ground point 9.
Ground point 9 or 8 Alpha Charlie, good night.